can finally pay for my
Yeah.
yearly membership. Yeah, that's one thing. And he told me I have to come back to the 5 day challenge because it must have been so good last time that I really missed out. But hey, I was drowning in work anyway. So, but I will come back to the next challenge, I guess.
Yeah, you've got to do something, Ulf, like we talk in the mastermind too. You have to do something that's going to make you money. That's the idea, is to get you making money because you don't mind spending it and investing it if what you're doing makes you money.
Correct. You know, I'm so grateful that you really kicked my butt that I have to charge money for what I do. And it worked because next week I'm going to get paid. And he promised, and we have a good relationship. It works. And he really benefits. So it's great. Um, it takes me so much time to bring everything into German. I mean, I'm happy I have this Canva English website,